Hello guys, I'm here located in the Palembang district, the south coast of Garut. It's a true gem. This coastal paradise boasts the breathtaking beauty of the South Sea with its pristine beaches adorned with rocky cliff and sparkling clean sand. The tranquil ambience of the coastline creates a serene and comfortable atmosphere, perfect for relaxation and rejuvenation. Whether you are longing on the sandy shore, indulging in water sport, or simply enjoying the panoramic view of the ocean, the south coast of Garut gives a captivating experience for nature lovers and beach enthusiasts alike.
Sukabumi, Parangtritis in Bantul, Timang in Gunung Kidul, Papuma in Jember, and Sandikin Malang and others by Tabula sponsor. However, what need to be considered behind its beauty, there is safety that must be maintained during the 2021 8 holiday alone, as many as 16 passengers had an accident at the beach resort in Sukabumi, West Java, resulting in fatalities as reported by Liputan 6. The following are the type of beaches in the southern seas in Indonesia.